Alright, so the next factor that I'm going to talk about is how easy is it to update your bot while it is already running in production. Now, a lot of people don't seem to actually think about this, but as you keep improving and updating your bot, there will be some occasions when you will have to break the bot's behavior because you may have to do a big redesign of your conversation flow, and at that point, effectively your chatbot is in a broken state while you're making those fixes. Now, Dialogflow does provide an option to do some kind of versioning, so you can freeze a specific version of your agent and then just use that version for the integration, and then you can go back and make updates to your bot inside the console. In that case, the updates that you make are not going to be used in the integration version, which means that the integration is safe. You can continue making your updates in the bot. But as it turns out, this is not, I don't think that this even exists for the one-click web demo integration. And even if it did, you know that the web demo is very limited. But I know for a fact that the other integrations don't have built-in support for this particular problem. That is, what I'm saying is that if you were to use any of the existing solutions out there, you would end up breaking the bot as you make those changes, because there is no way to configure the third-party solutions to point to the specific version of your bot. Now, one way you can get around this is, of course, if you build a custom integration where everything is custom, you build the whole thing out yourself. In that case, you certainly have the option to create like a configuration file which points to a specific version, and then you can make the updates in your Dialogflow agent, and that will not be affecting what the end users are going to interact with. But that's definitely a factor that you have to consider, especially if your bot is getting a lot of usage. Then you don't want to be breaking the user experience right in the middle of that kind of when people are interacting with your bot. So that's one more factor that needs to be taken into consideration as you're thinking of the right solution for this integration.